Welcome to another episode of Carolyn and Her Clothes. If you stumbled on my channel and are new here and have not yet subscribed, please do. And while you're at it, give this video a thumbs up and click that notification bell to get notified of future videos from me. So today I have a Stitch Fix. If you are not aware what Stitch Fix is, it's a styling service. It's online. You fill out a style profile, you send them $20 via your credit card. That gets credited to your account. Whatever you decide to keep, that $20 gets applied to. Whatever you don't like, just send back. For me, I have the Style Pass. I don't know if they're still offering the Style Pass, but I pay a flat rate of $59 a year. And I can get unlimited number of fixes. I never pay that styling fee. And that $59 also gets credited towards your fix. I paid my styling fee a few weeks ago, and I bought something in that last fix. I already forgot what I bought. And that fee got accredited towards my purchase, all right? So what am I doing today? What am I purchasing? What am I getting? What do I have? So my stylist is Shannon from Shannon Style. I mentioned that before. However, she didn't really pick these items out. I think the algorithm picked out the first 4 items, and they picked it from my saved items list. And then she only then picked out 1 item, and I said, ooh, this is a great fix. She said, well, that's great, because I picked the last item, the 5th item, from your saved list too. So if you have not saved your list yet, do that. Now, I can't guarantee everything is going to be available, but my list is huge. Like I go through the thumbs up, thumbs down game all day, every day. And I always look through the items that they have that are new and certain brands that I like, and I save the item if I like. So now stylists can go into that list, and if the item's available in your size, they can send it to you. So what was I sent? The first thing that I saw that I decided to keep are these Cosmic Blue Love Ellie High Rise Straight Leg Jean in Indigo, size 0 petite. They are dark wash. They're exactly what I was looking for. There's very slight distressing here on the pockets. That's fine by me, but other than that, they're extremely clean, straight leg in a dark wash. They're 25 petite, and if you've been following me, I am petite. I hope these hit me in the right spot. I'm looking for something like an ankle length. All right, the only thing that concerns me about this, or 2 things concerns me about this. First, they're only 80% cotton, and I prefer the 98%. That isn't gonna say I'm not gonna purchase something. If it fits me perfectly, I will keep jeans that fit me perfectly, even if they're not the 98% cotton. 80% cotton, 9% rayon, 9% polyester, 2% elastane. I like these jeans, but they look really small, and due to the fabric, they look really stretchy. So I think I'm going to be able to get them on, but my gut feeling is that they're going to be very skin tight and look more like a jegging than a jean, and I'm trying to get away from that particular style, but I'll give them a shot because you never know until you try things on. Next up, and I'm pretty excited about these, are these Dear John Finnegan Roll Cuff Short in Indigo, size 0, $58, and they're in a dark, dark, dark wash denim. And I don't have any like nicer shorts, like if I wanted to wear something looking a little bit nicer, and these definitely fit the bill. They have the slash pockets, but I think they're far enough in that they're not gonna be poking out with my hips. They have faux pockets here in the back, so there shouldn't be any lumps and bumps with them either. I like these shorts, and again, they were on my list, and when it came up in my preview, I chose them. And I'll probably end up keeping these, but we'll try them on just to be sure. The next item is this, make sure I got the right one here. Yes, the 9 Britain Abigail Brushed Knit Fitted midi dress in red. They're calling this red, in an extra small petite for $58. Now they're calling this a brushed knit. I don't feel any brushed knit in this, and I'm not a brushed knit fan. To me, this is ribbed. All right, can you see the ribbing? And it has like a wrap type of style here that is, what do you call this? Gathered over here on the side. So let me see. Yeah, it's a faux wrap. So it wraps, but it's sewn on the inside, so there should be no wardrobe malfunctions. It does have a high kind of crew neck, which It's not my favorite, I'll be honest, but I'll try it on because I did say in my note that I was looking for dresses for my cruise. Do I really need dresses? No, I can find what I have, but to wear on my cruise in March. But I figured, you know, send along some dresses. Maybe there's something that will spark my interest. So this is machine wash coal with light colors, and it's 85% rayon, 15% spandex. Again, I don't feel the brushed knit. I definitely feel like a rayon, but I don't feel it like being the kind of material that pills at all. It's a lovely color. They're calling it red. I would call it more like an adobe or clay, or even a sienna red. All right, try it on. One thing that seems, I mean, I know it's a mini dress, but this really seems long to me. I can't even get it here in the viewfinder. So we'll see how it looks. All right, next up, I said okay to this dress too, and I'm kind of thinking, I'm not gonna keep this, but we'll try it on. Again, she was able to find an extra small, the algorithm was able to find an extra small petite in this. This is the 9 Britain Amber Knit Midi Wrap Dress in Cognac for $54. So it's similar to the other dress, but this one really isn't like gathered. It just has a wrap and a tie. And again, this wrap won't fly open. It's sewn on the inside. And this is also ribbed, but not as like, I guess, a tight fit and ribbed. It just has like a ribbing in the material or texture. So it's a little bit different than the other one. Let's see what the material on this one is. This one is 75% polyester. So this one's polyester, the other one is rayon. 18% rayon, 7% spandex. Both of these things are machine washable and then hang to dry. So, you know, the color screams fall to me with the fall jacket. Don't get me wrong, it's a lovely dress, but I'm going on a cruise in March and I don't think I want a burnt orange dress, to be honest with you. I want something bright and sexy, and I don't think anything these quite fit the bill, but I'll try them on because you never know how they fit. Last up, and I think I want these. These are the Franco Sarto Balin Loafer in leather. These are leather? They're saying they're leather. Let's see if they can see them on the inside. I'm gonna investigate this because they're patent leather, so I'm kind of surprised about this. In black for $89. Leather for $89? I don't think so. I'm thinking that these are like a polyurethane. Let me see. Yes, all man-made, it says. So yeah, there's no way that these are gonna be leather for $89. So they have that chunky sole. They are patent leather. It's a typical style penny loafer here. I think I want these. So when I was shopping with Shannon, I tried on a pair at Nordstrom Rack, and I also been eyeing a pair at Ever Eve. And you know, I have a couple different loafers now, and I will show them to you, but I still think I want these. All right, give me a minute. I'm gonna try these things on and style them how I would style them. Okay, I'm in trouble. So I decided to wear this black and brown sweater from Ever Eve. I've been missing this sweater, and for whatever reason, I really like this sweater, and it's obviously a fall sweater, but I've been missing it. So I figured let me just style and play with it now with you guys. I can't wait till fall till I can actually wear this sweater. I don't know why I like it so much, but I do. So I have on the jeans, and I like the way they fit a lot. So they come right to like the top of my ankle. I think these would work great when I wear with the heels. They are very, you know, stretchy and forgiving. I think they fit the waist. They come up high. Like them a lot. The shoes, also extremely comfortable. They are a patent leather. I'm debating whether I want platinum or regular leather. I'm not sure. And again, these are, again, not leather. I call them patent leather, but they're all man-made materials. So I do like the shoes, do like the jeans. So let me show you my shoes, and you can tell me, Carolyn, you're being ridiculous, all right? So here are my type of loafer style shoes. One are these slides by Steve Madden. They're pointy toe. They're not really a loafer, they're chain, so I can discount these. They're nothing like these. I do have these loafers in this dark burgundy color and patent leather, but they also have a heel. They're not flat. I do like these. They were pretty inexpensive, $35 from Macy's. Again, not leather, but they got a heel. They're not flat and they're not black. So we're gonna discount these and say they're not quite the same. I also have these. Now we're getting to me the same. So these are a lug style loafer chain. However, they're in ivory. Finally, I have a loafer clog. Again, high heel, chain style, like them a lot, platform sole, but that wouldn't go well with this type of outfit. So even though it's kind of like my duplicate rule and breaking my duplicate rule, I think I really want these loafers. So let me know your thoughts if you think I'm crazy. And with the jeans, I do have these dark wash straight leg that kind of, I think, fits similar, but I'm going to try them on and see how they look. I think they're going to be more of a straight leg than these, and these are more of a slim straight. But I'm going to try them on, and if they're very similar fit to these, or if they don't fit me well at all, I'm going to donate these. So I'll have to think about it. If they're too similar to these, then I'll keep the ones I have and return these. All right, give me a minute. I'm going to try on the jeans that I already have to see how they work, and I'll let you guys know, and then I'll try on the shorts. So I have on the existing jeans that I have. These were by Just Black Denim. They are a straight leg. However, the bottom part is definitely that raw hem, and they're a low rise. They're below my belly button, whereas these are a high rise, like a little bit above my belly button. And even though they're both dark wash and they're both straight leg, I think those two small differences, I think I'll keep them. I'm not so sure. I mean, I probably shouldn't. I don't really need anything, but I think I want these. It's so hard, you know? I mean, like, I'm trying to be reasonable and add unique things to my closet, but I'm thinking that if I send them back, I'm gonna regret it. And if these jeans are in the wash and I have to go someplace where I need a pair of clean jeans, because most of mine are destroyed, I have a pair. And the shoes, again, I don't have that much in flat shoes. I don't think I have a single pair of black flats at all. So yeah, I think I have to keep the shoes too. Alrighty, give me a minute. I will try on those shorts. Well, I'm in trouble because now it's 3 out of 3. I've got on the shorts and I paired this how I would probably wear it. And I would see this as like a place where I would want to wear shorts because it's hot outside, but I want to look a little bit elevated. I paired it with this little white sweater that it's less serene that I also got from the Stitch Fix. It has the little poofed sleeves right here and like pointelle here on the sleeve and a little bit of scalloping detail around the edge of the sleeve, and the bodice is ribbed. And the shorts are actually loose, like there's definitely space back here, but you do notice the pockets puckering ever so slightly, more on this side than this side, but I think it's so minimal, nobody would ever say anything. These are not even a mid-rise, they're almost a mid-rise on me, which I'm okay, and they go up higher in the back because that is like, to me, the ultimate, so it's not digging into my waist if I eat too much, but it's higher in the back so it doesn't drop on me or fall down, because they are pretty loose on me. I do like these, and I believe these are a keeper, so I am in trouble. I really don't want the dresses, but maybe this is a 5 out of 5. All right, give me a minute and I'll try on the dresses. Okay, this dress is going to be a no, all right, for a couple reasons. One, I feel the material is very thin and unforgiving, and you could probably see my panty lines despite the fact that I wear invisible panty lines from Soma, but it is so thin, you probably can see that. Another thing is that this is not made very well. I don't know if you can see it, but instead of the seam being like this, there's like extra material. They didn't sew the seam correctly. So it's a seam here, and then there's like a fold here over the seam because there's like, they didn't sew it straight. So it's very noticeable, and it just adds to the cheapness of this dress. It does have a tank style top, so I believe it is bra friendly. I am wearing my bra with it, and hopefully you don't see anything. Again, it's a faux wrap style. There's no chance of flashing anyone, but it has this, I think you call this like a tulip hem, and I don't think this style is very flattering on me. I feel that I'm already hippie enough, and when you do a style like this, it kind of just makes me look more like a triangle on the bottom. And yeah, I paired it with my brown Michael Kors sandals. I think this is a good transition to fall piece, but for me, this doesn't do it. And again, it's a faux wrap style. This can be unknotted, but what's the point? It needs to be knotted to be worn. And so this is a no. And as I'm here, I'm realizing the top part of my bra does hang out of this as well too. This is a no, but you know, nice try, glad I tried it on. Oh, and because of the tulip in the front, it's almost like a high-low in the back. And I also think this midi style also doesn't tend to be too flattering on me. All right, give me a minute, I'll try on the last dress. Okay, this dress was almost a yes, but it has the same problem as the other dress. So let me back up, show you the full dress, and then I'll show you the complaints I have about it, and hopefully you can see it. And it's minor, but it would bother me. All right, first place, this dress definitely has a high neck. I would prefer it to be more of a little bit of a lower neck, but I think the neckline kind of fits the style of the dress because the rest of it is pretty sexy. It has a lot of ruching here that makes it unforgiving on the tummy, and it has 2 layers, which I also think helps because again, this is the faux wrap style, and this extra layer with the ruching can hide a multitude of sins. This fabric is still thin, but it's thicker than the last one. I'll show you the back of it to see whether or not you like it or not. I also think the length of it, you know, when I was holding it up, it looked really long, but I think once I have it on, I think it's the appropriate length. Here's what's wrong with it. Again, it's an inexpensive dress and it shows, not just in the quality of fabric, but also in the quality of the craftsmanship showing it. And I'm not a sewer. Nancy Ann, if you're watching, you can tell me if there's a way to avoid this in sewing or not. I don't know. But because of the ruching and the way they brought it in, again, the seam has like a fold here. Can you see that? It's like an extra piece that puckers right here because the seam is not straight. And it's going to annoy me, you know? To me, it looks just poorly made. And I want my seams to lie flat. I don't need a little extra pucker right here at my hip. So even though it makes it so flattering up in here, because of all the ruching and everything, they kind of messed up the seam here on the side, and it's given me an extra bubble where I don't want a bubble. So the dresses are going back. I'm gonna have to also do some number calculations to make sure that I should keep the dresses, but I mean, it's $108. I don't think that 25% off, even if it's like a few dollars that I would save and get the dresses for free, I still don't think I want them because then I'd be paying a couple extra dollars to just donate them because these would not spark joy. I would feel uncomfortable with this and the other one and the seaming and how it was sewn. So unfortunately, these are going back. I paired these with my leopard shoes. I thought it would kind of be a fun type of thing. And yeah, I mean, other than that, it's a lovely dress. Maybe if you like it, order it. Maybe you won't have a problem with the puckering on yours. But with mine, I can see it and it's just sticking out and I just do not like it. Thank you again for returning subscribers. I already said, if you haven't subscribed, please do give me a thumbs up and smash that notification bell. Take care until next time.